So hi guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to change your Gmail password. In this video, we'll show you an easy way to change your Gmail password and keep your account secure. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Gmail application on your device. So from here, click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, and then tap on manage your Google account. Okay. Then from there, just slide to your right and tap on security. Okay. And then scroll down and look for the password option. This one. And then tap on forgot password. Okay. If you ever forgot your password, then you just have to tap on this. Just wait for a few seconds. And then type out your new password. Be sure that your password is strong enough and a password that you can really remember. Then after that, just tap on the change password. And there you have it, an easy way to find and change your password in your Gmail account. Okay, by following these simple steps, you can recover your Google account and protect your personal information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.